got a 1958 Chevy Apache pickup truck. Very nice shape. This is the first year they came out with the quad headlights. 58. This is like a real luxury pickup truck. You know, it's got the fleet side, swept side, 6.5-foot bed, wooden bed. Now, of course, this is not the original interior by any means. Gas tank still looks like it's behind the seat there. Got your speaker in between the middle. This would not been the original interior, obviously. Got digital gauges and everything, all kinds of upgrades, automatic transmission. Sweet. So anyway, looks very good.